Hello friends, welcome to Amit Things. So new Windows 10 update is here and many people are facing troubles. Wi-Fi is not working, internet is not working, there's a cross sign and many other issues. So let's solve in this video. At first go to start, type troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot settings. Here you can see if something is not working on a device, you can troubleshoot it and find the issue. Below under get up and running, we will go to internet connection and fix the internet issues. So now let's go to internet and click on run the troubleshooter. So if there is any problem, it will detect the problem. This is one of the way to fix internet on your Windows 10 operating system. Here you can see, please select the issue Windows should troubleshoot. So let's try to connect and click on this. Troubleshoot my connection to the internet. So here, so this will look for any kind of web connectivity issue. So guys, here you can see that the troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. So now it is unable to find any kind of problem. So we'll close the troubleshooter. Now the second way would be to run network troubleshooting commands. So that will reset your TCP IP configuration. Using some commands on CMD command prompt will try to fix the problem. So let's go to start. Using these commands, we can easily reset the TCP IP stack, release IP address, renew IP address, and also flush and reset the DNS client resolver cache. Through this, we can easily try to fix the issue. Now go to start, type CMD, right click and open as administrator, run as administrator. Now here we will type some commands. I have mentioned the commands in the description. So you can just type them and press enter and restart your system. That will reset your entire DNS and TCP IP configuration. Let's type the first command, netsh winsock space reset, press enter. The second one is netsh int IP space reset, press enter. Here you can see it needs restart. Now go for ipconfig slash release. This will release the IP address. Now press ipconfig slash renew. This will renew it. Renew the IP address, and the last one would be to flush and reset the DNS. ipconfig slash flush DNS. This is the command, slash flush DNS. Now press enter. Now you need to just restart your system. We have done all the changes. We have reset the TCP IP configuration and DNS. Now just restart your system. Here it is, restart it. Now guys, we have successfully restarted it. Now we will go for the last configuration. We'll go to start and type network reset. This is the last thing you can do to fix the issue. It will automatically fix everything. Now you need to just reset now. Click on reset now. Here you can see this will remove the reinstall of all your network adapters, and you might need to reinstall all of them after restarting. You just need to click on reset now, and that's it. Click on yes and restart your system. That's it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily fix the Windows 10 update issue. Many times when Windows update comes and you update your system, the Wi-Fi issue comes again. Sometimes you are not able to connect, sometimes the network connectivity is less, there is a cross sign, and sometimes there are no available network, or sometimes there are less number of available networks. So you can easily fix this by following these 3 steps. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. For more such videos, subscribe to Amit Things YouTube channel.